ElectraCast.
When you need to build up your team to handle the growing chaos at work, use Indeed Sponsored Jobs. It gives your job post the boost it needs to be seen and helps reach people with the right skills, certifications, and more. Spend less time searching and more time actually interviewing candidates who check all your boxes. Listeners of this show will get a $75 sponsored job credit at Indeed.com/podcast. That's Indeed.com/podcast. Terms and conditions apply. Need a hiring hero? This is a job for Indeed Sponsored Jobs.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for May 29th, 2026.
NASA has been busy across the board, sharing new views of Earth, spotlighting distant galaxies with Hubble, moving the Roman Space Telescope closer to completion, and updating the public on AI, the space station, and major agency investments. Let's begin on Earth, over South Africa's Maize Triangle, one of the country's key crop-growing regions. NASA Earth Observatory published radar-based imagery that looks like a colorful painting spread across circular and rectangular fields. But those colors represent real seasonal change. By combining satellite radar passes over time, scientists can see how fields evolve through the growing season, tracking differences in crop development, field conditions, and the timing of growth and harvest. It's a clear example of how Earth-observing satellites help measure patterns in food production and land use at a regional scale. Now, out to deep space. Hubble released 2 galaxy features with very different vibes. One focuses on Messier 88, a spiral galaxy in the Virgo cluster, described as being on a long journey over hundreds of millions of years toward the cluster's dense center. In crowded clusters, gravity and interactions can slowly reshape galaxies, influencing their gas supply and star formation. The second Hubble highlight is a faint dwarf irregular galaxy called ESO 490-017, so low in surface brightness that it appears like a ghostly haze behind brighter foreground stars, a reminder that many important galaxies are subtle and hard to spot. Meanwhile, NASA's next major observatory is hitting key checkpoints. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope's primary mirror recently received a final inspection at Goddard. Engineers verified the mirror stayed clean and the optical alignment remained stable after testing, an important step toward full observatory integration. NASA also highlighted progress in data-driven tools. In a new episode of Houston, We Have a Podcast, NASA's acting chief data and AI officer, Kevin Murphy, discusses how artificial intelligence is being applied across the agency, especially for massive data sets and complex operations, positioning AI as a support tool for scientists and engineers. In Earth science recognition, NASA researchers James Irons and Eric Vermote received the USGS NASA 2025 William T. Pecora Award for contributions that advanced Landsat and strengthened long-term global land monitoring. Up in orbit, the Expedition 74 crew aboard the International Space Station wrapped a week that blended research with maintenance, supporting studies on blood clotting and immune function in microgravity, along with post-spacewalk cleanup and routine station work. And on the ground, NASA announced a public event at headquarters featuring SpaceX Crew 11 astronauts, plus a multiple award construction contract supporting up to $300 million in infrastructure upgrades at Johnson Space Center. Those were the key activities for NASA on May 29th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate and review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. To learn more about the U.S. space program, visit www.nasa.gov. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Nick Mrla. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
ElectraCast.